Well, another shocking update, very hot one, coming in from a press release by the UPDF just yesterday, the 23rd of May 2025. The UPDF, via their official website, published a document and wrote an article which duplicates what is in the document. Now let me read for you direct what's on the document, and those who can read also from the screen we can go along for the purpose of proof and also visual impairments. Now the reason is security forces closely monitoring emerging rebel groups in the country. The security and intelligence services have over the past few months arrested and interrogated several suspects with links to organized armed rebellion, plot to bomb populated public places, and economic sabotage through the vandalism of electricity infrastructure power lines in some parts of the country in central Uganda. In the case of extensive vandalization of electricity infrastructure, some of the most affected districts are Bagisu, Mukono, Kayungu, Luero, Nakaseke, Kiboga, Nakasongola, Michiana, Mubende, Mpiji, and the Greater Masaka region. Some of the arrested suspects previously passed off as opposition political party activists, especially of the National Unity Platform, that is NUP party. Many have accordingly been charged in courts of law and remanded in custody pending court hearing of their cases. The Inter-Agency Security Committee, chaired by the UPDF Chief of Defense Forces and composed of the Uganda Police Force, Prison Services, and intelligence organizations, are coordinating closely to infiltrate and bust terrorists and subvert cells that are actively luring unsuspecting youths into rebel activities in and around the Greater Kampala metropolitan ghetto communities. The Security Committee, in its most recent sitting, resolved to take firm action against the ringleaders, the organizers, and the funders of rebel activities, which are in part designed to disrupt the upcoming general elections early next year. There is strong evidence tracing some of the funding and mobilization for the negative and traitorous groups opposed to the NRM government to some accredited European diplomatic missions in Kampala. We are particularly concerned about the illegal and clandestine activities of the German ambassador in Uganda. His Excellency Matthias Schauer, the intelligence services are aware about his clearly undiplomatic practices that have been taking place in different parts of the country for some time now, and which go against the spirit of the 1961 Vienna Diplomatic Conventions that regulate cordial relations between states. The government of Uganda is following up the matter with the concerned foreign mission through the relevant diplomatic channels to address the disturbing development. The Uganda People's Defense Forces and the Inter-Agency Security Committee strongly condemns foreign influence meddling in Uganda's internal affairs and will take decisive action against those who seek to destabilize the country. The youths of Uganda are advised to avoid falling in the trap set by enemy political actors who seek to exploit their vulnerability for political ends. They are further advised to embrace government wealth creation initiatives and youth development programs for their long-term well-being. The local treacherous lot and agents of foreign manipulation in the politics and security of our country will continue to be identified, isolated, and dealt with firmly in accordance with the laws of the land. Signed by Chris Magezi, a colonel who is the acting director, Defense Public Publications. Wow. So this is it. it's coming to take effect now that the president will soon sign the UPDF Amendment Bill 2025, and this news is coming. I think there are a lot of people who are going to be victims. It's not going to be easy. So this is the development, a very concerning development for every Ugandan, by the way. Whether you're in opposition or you're in the government, this is concerning. It's a time for you to be alert, to stay at the course, eyes wide open, because we don't know what is actually going to happen. We don't know what is happening. But it is a serious news, and I think the German government or the German ambassador has not yet issued a public response to this. But in case they issue, then we're going to also let you know about this development coming in straight from the official website of the Uganda People's Defense Forces. Thank you.